Most people use Google every single day. We use it to search for answers, tutorials, solutions, and information. But surprisingly, most people don't really know how powerful Google actually is. Most people type a few words, hit enter, scroll a bit, and that's it. They don't realize that with a few simple tricks, Google can give you cleaner, faster, and much more accurate results, without installing any apps or tools. In this video, I'll show you simple Google search tricks that can completely change the way you search. Let's start with quotation marks. When you put a phrase inside quotation marks, Google searches for that exact phrase, word for word. This is extremely useful when you're looking for specific quotes, error messages, song lyrics, or exact sentences. Without quotation marks, Google guesses what you mean. With quotation marks, Google gives you exactly what you ask for. Next, the minus sign. If Google keeps showing results you don't want, you can remove certain words using a minus sign. For example, if you're searching for tutorials but you don't want video results, simply add a minus sign before the word video. This instantly cleans up your search results and removes unwanted content. Third, the site search operator. By typing site, followed by a website name, you can search only within one specific website. This is incredibly useful when you want answers from trusted sources, forums, or official documentation. Instead of digging through a website manually, Google does the work for you. And here's the real power move, combining them. You can use quotation marks, minus signs, and site search together in one search. This allows you to narrow down results with extreme precision and find exactly what you need in seconds. These small changes may seem simple, but they can save you a huge amount of time and frustration, especially if you research often, study online, or work with information every day. Once you start using Google like this, you'll never search the same way again. And if you want more smart tech tips and productivity tricks like this, make sure to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.